What just happened here? Whoa, what? So hi guys, ngayon maglalaro na naman tayo ng isang horror game sa Steam na pinangalan na Overcome Your Fears Caretaker. So itong game na to is nakita ko lang siya dito sa Steam at subukan ko lang siya laruin kung maganda, and sana naman mag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, and subscribe na din kayo dyan, like and share. So yun lang, so babang inihintay natin, simulan na natin to. Okay, new game tayo. Siyempre, new game naman lagi. Okay. May 24. 6:43 PM. Okay. Hey yo! Finally school's over. Yeah, boy. Sa amin malapit na pasukan. Damn, the place, man. Ang relax lang ng place. Good thing my friends asked me to look after their house while they are on vacation. It's a great chance to relax a bit. Yeah, that's good, man. Relax ka lang sa buhay mo. Mag-relax ka lang. I wonder how everything's set up at their place. I hopefully there's won't be any surprises. Ooh, hopefully, okay. Damn, the place, man. Ang ganda. Ang simpleng simpleng lugar lang nung tong village na to. Ganda gagi. Naman gusto kong bahay, man. Mga ganyan simple lang. Okay, the neighborhood feels calm. Yeah, yan yung sabi ko. And I can't almost breathe freely. It's nice having a little forest nearby. Isn't this a perfect way to start the summer? Yeah. Perfect yan. Okay. Ang lahi naman ng bahay ng kaibigan mo, tol. So, there we go. Well then, welcome to your new home. Wow, new home for the week. Hi. Ay, pasan na po tayo. Okay. They told me the key should be hidden somewhere. Okay. Ito nabasa ko pa eh. Okay, jackpot. Nakita natin kaagad kasi may gumikin ng kinangay. Halos naman lahat naman siguro ng mga magtatabi na is sa ilalim ng ng ganyan. Tawag dito mga halaman. Okay, we're here now. Check ulit camera ko ha. Baka mamaya nag-crash na naman tong photo camera na to. Okay, goods pa naman. Okay, ano daw sabi? I think I should turn on the lights on. Okay, lights on, lights off. Okay. Uy, ay, cellphone nalaglag. Wait. My phone, nalaglag cellphone ko. Wait lang. Okay, so, explore the house. Okay, explore natin yung bahay. Damn, ang ganda ng bahay. Ang simple lang. Ito pala yung lights na ano. Okay, shake. Uy. Oh, sarado yung pinto sa. Ben. Nagsarado yung pinto. Damn. Okay, turn on the TV. Wag muna. Okay, ito ay ang back door yata to. Damn, ito yata yung garage nila. Garage. Yung tama nga, outside house. Outside house. Ito nga yung nila, yung garden yata nila, hindi ko alam. Okay, ito yung kitchen. Tingnan natin kung may pagkain. Woo! We have a cheese and ham and bread and iba pang mga pagkain at inumin. Okay, so wala naman ng kind of dito. So taas na tayo. Open the lights. Okay, ito yung kwarto siguro to ng kwarto yata to ng mama nila. Yata, maybe. Oh, tingnan kalat naman dito. Alam niyo yung kalat ng place, man. Pero okay naman ah. Ay, mukhang magtatago tayo dito, boy. Wow. Ano tong ano na to? Ba't parang may Hey, yo. Yo, wait, what? What is this? Ano tong parang may ano? Whoa, wait. Yo! Low! Ay, putek! Paktay tayo. Bawal yata magingay dito sa game na to, men. Hala. May ganun pa pala. Paktay tayo dyan, tol. Okay, wala na ba bang iba bang place na pwede puntahan dito? Wala na yata na-explore ko na yata lahat. Ito pa pala. Okay, the CR. Oh. Uy, I haven't eaten anything yet today. So I might be a good idea to go to the kitchen and make a sandwich to eat. Yeah. Kunin mo yan. Tapos kumuha ka ng bread. Cheese. Saan natin lalagay itong cheese? Diba? Where? Bro, dito. There you go. Tapos kumuha tayo. Ben? Kumuha tayo ng cheese. Ng cheese. Bro, ng bread. Sausage. Diba sausage ba to? Oh, sausage. Wow, sausage. Sausage, Ben? Nakam ko sausage parang hotdog eh. Okay, assemble to the... Okay, ito na. Naka-assemble na nga. Eat. Okay, so ito na natin to. Okay, so nakain na natin. I guess now I can get some rest at the computer in the second floor room and go to the bed. Second floor room. Ito. Ay, sinarap. Dito ba? Computer room daw. Saan yung computer room? Where's the computer room? Yun, use the laptop. Laptop pala, hindi naman kasi computer room yan, tol. Ayan, okay. Okay. Oh, welcome. Enter your password to begin. Emily. Ano password na ito? Should we go? Okay. Ito yung password. Ito pala yung password. For Steve. You can use the laptop if you need it. Password Emily1311. Okay. Emily. Ay, mali. Emily1311. Okay, dami ng mga yan. There we go. Wow. Now, ano ba ito? I want to sleep. Okay. Tutulog ka na eh. It's time to go to bed. Kagamit mo pangalan ng computer eh. It's getting dark. Okay. Tulog ka na. Tulog ka na, boy. Tulog ka na. There we go. First, and turn off the light. Okay. Pa kailangan isarado yung light, man. Okay, loading. Okay, I think there is something bad na mangyayari dito. Something bad will happen. May 25. 3:25 AM. Okay. Madaling araw. I'm instantly thirsty. Need to grab some soda for the fridge. From the fridge, okay. Oy! The hell, man? What the hell, man? Whoa, yung camera ko. Whoa, wait lang. It seems there's something wrong with the electricity. I need to, okay. Okay, man. Huwag ka magtiwala sa mga Okay, asan yung saan yon? Sa labas ba, boy? Close the door, man. Ito ba? Oh, ito nga sa labas niya. What just happened here? Oh! Whoa! What? Kuya naman, pwede ka naman mag... What are you doing here? Who are you? What are you doing on my property at this hour? In the woods the other day. Thanks for the head up. I'll be careful. That's up. I'd better get to bed. Sorry again for spooking you. Good night, thanks for it. There we go. Kuya, mais ka wa? Proper, mais ka. Mais ka. Mais ka. Nagugulat ka. This is a strange situation that has ever happened to me. Gotta grab some drink and figure out what's up. Okay. Okay, there we go. Drink. Maybe I can understand this man concern. Maybe I can understand this man concern. Okay. But to stay up this hour and go to someone else's backyard for the sake of justice. Wow. Botek. Sinasaratuhan. This is all incredibly strange. Anyway. Gotta try to get some sleep. Okay. First need to patayin natin yung... Teka, di ba nakapatay itong ilaw natin? Ba't biglang nabuhay yan? Okay, anong oras na ngayon? May 25, 9:17 AM. Ano kaya mangyayari sa araw na to? Ito, ano daw? Ulit ka, di ko nabasa. Tignan lang. Kaya na lang magbasa ko sa akin. Mabasa niyo man. Wow, the heck is knocking in this early. Oh, may kumakatok sa oras ng gantong kaaga. May kumakatok. Kumakatok-katok. Diba sa backer dyan? Should we check, man? Should we? Ito pala gagi. Should we check who's knocking some creepy dipshit, man? Oh, pew. Guess was the mailman. Okay. Okay, shh. Lang, ano tayo sa loob magbasa, men? Huwag tayo dito. Bro! Ano ba? Ano mangyayari sa... Tik naman. Huwag tayo dito. Okay, F. Okay, Daily Mail. Anong haba na ito, ah? At magtatrabaho yata tayo dito sa ano, sa isang itong ano na to, itong parang 7-Eleven. Okay, parang magtatrabaho yata tayo. Ang taas pala ng aking ano, aking mic. Tatakpan yung mukha ko. Sorry. Okay, ayan. Okay. Bro, I need to check if there's anything to eat in the fridge. I'm terribly hungry. Okay. Okay. There's absolutely no food. Need to go to store and buy some noodles. Okay, bibili pa tayo ng noodles. Go to the store. Right nga, tinawag ko ulit. May patay. Yeah, kailangan mo mag-iingat, boy. Kailangan mo mag-iingat, boy. Kailangan mo mag-iingat sa mga bagay-bagay na biglang ano sa'yo dyan, ha? Okay, go to the store. May simple lang kamo ng place na to, pero may gantong sitwasyon. May papatay-patay. May mga killer daw. Ano yun? What's that noise? Parang may kinakatay. Wow. What's that noise? I don't think. Ano daw? Sabi. Okay, ang weird nun. Parang may mga ano. Ay, kagi ka, pre. Hala ka, tol. Tumakbo ka na, tol. Wow, shit. May pinapatay yung lalaki. Okay, takbo ka na, men. Takbo ka na, men. Ikaw nasunod niya, no? Ayan yung ano. Yan yung ano, yung kagabi. Yung kumausap sa atin. This old man is getting weirder and weirder every day, man. Shit, man. You have to go. You have to run. You have to run in this, man. Kaya mo na umalis to sa bahay na yun, tol. Kasi ikaw ang sunod ang papatayin, man. Damn. You have to get out of there. You need to get out of this town, man. Kailangan ko bas dito sa village na to. Malas sa village na to na. Itong village to, napaka-weird, man. Akala mo nung unang expression mo pa lang is sobrang payapa. Tapos biglang may ganun. Okay. Hello po. You're welcome. Hello. You're welcome. Wala po ako binibili. Okay. Go to store. Ito na. Nasa store na nga ako. I think this should make a good ramen. Okay, saan ba? Ito ba? Ito. Here you go. Ano ba ba? I think one pack is enough. We can go check out though. Okay. One package of ramen. That will be 2.99 cents. Dollars pala. Sorry. Thank you for buying. Goodbye. Goodbye po. Thank you din po sa pag-welcome sa akin. Okay. Hey. Take care of yourself. It's a ano yun? F ba yun? Turbulent time. Oh, thanks. Turbulent bed. Bro, yung sounds. Itong mga ganyan, nilintik na yun yung mga sas. Yung camera. Okay, all goods pa naman. Hi po. Should we check it out, man? Okay, bawal pumunta dito. Hey man, what's up? Wait. Kuya? Kaya ang gagawin mo? Hi? Wow. Good afternoon. You wanted something? Here you are walking home in your thought. Have a good day. Glad I could help. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat po. I think ikaw na sunod na mamamatay, men. Tinulungan lang halos ni ano pa. Okay, parang ayoko nang bumalik sa bahay. Ramdam ko nandun na siya kasi alam nang umalis ako. Hindi mo man lang mailak yung pinto. Hindi mo man lang mailak kaya no. Almost home. I can't wait to eat. I have to straight to the kitchen. Yeah, you will die, man. Yeah, you will fucking die, man. I swear, man. I swear you will die, man. Ano nagsasabi sa'yo, man? Mamamatay ka, man. Camera natin. Check natin ulit. Wait. Ay, napindot ko yung... Bro, may napindot akong mali. Okay pa naman yung camera. Okay. Cook na daw natin yung ramen dito. F-cook. Ayan. Okay. I guess I'll eat in the living room while watching TV. Okay, ang sarap ng ramen. May etlog. Oh, yun. Parang may nakita akong parang black na may dumaan. Hindi ko alam. Baka, ben? Okay, nakakakita ng mga weirdo stuff. Ay. Yum! Uy, nawala itlog. Yummy, man. Ay, ano mayroon dito? Wow. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, may mata. Wow, binulit yung mata niya. Namulat ang kanyang mata sa katotohanan. Okay. I don't want to hurt you. Okay. I'm just okay. I am your friend. Ticket. Oh my god. What is that? Ano yun? Ano yun, man? May 26. Okay na nga. 1:03 AM. Oh, damn. Ayan na nga. I doze off. I'm gonna take the place. Ano? Doze off. Ayun, tumae. Gotta take this place to sink. Tumae ba? Ha? Doze? Ha? Take the... Ay, ba? Ito ba? Doze? Ano yung doze? Pala ko tumae. Oh, take the plate. Plate. Oh, I'm taking the plate, ha? Ay, ito. O ba yan? Una kanina tumae. Ngayon, hindi alam ko nung Okay, may naglalakad nga na black kanina. Okay, that was not good. It was that my neighbor. It was my imagination, right? Okay. Di siya imagination, man. Ito. I'm afraid it was imagining things. And someone really is wandering in my backyard. I'll take a nap, okay? Okay. Oh, yan na. Oh, takatik. Ayan na. May pagsaksakan na tayo, boy. Let's go. Check the backyard, man. Let's go. Wala man lang flashlight. Okay, wala. Strange. I don't remember leaving a chair here. Okay. Ay, walaan naman. Alaan naman. Man, mamamatay ka, men. Seems like there's no one here. I'd better go into the house and get some sleep. Tol, matutulog ka sa gatong sitwasyon, men. Baba mo naman yung kutsilyo mo. Ay, di, para nga sa own safety. Okay, tulog ka na. O, teka, matutulog ka may kutsilyo. Baka masaksakin ka ng mga weirdo na ano eh. To the nightstand. That's a nightstand. Ay, ito. Okay, ayan. Woo! Okay. So far, it's good naman. May 26 by 10 AM in the morning. Whoa! Whoa, where are we? Are we in the dream? Nasa panaginip pa tayo? Hi? Low? Lang, yung pawis ko. Okay. Okay, anong oras na? 10 a.m. Okay, it seems ano naman. Wow! Punong-puno ng langaw tsaka ng mga garbage bag. Okay, kuya, hi. Kuya, hello. Robot. Whisper broken clocks. What? Stairs shatter on the crack like ice in the fingers of the wind. Putik na. Shadows run across the glass and scream without a tongue. Dead flowers chew emptiness and flashes bite bones. Fresh bite bone. Okay. Eyes burn in the tree and the wind cuts the white paint and laugh with its teeth. I don't understand. Where am I? Blood drips into the silence. Bro, kuya, weirdo ka na. Bugs dance on the nerves of the god forsaken, and the night tears up maps and throws them into the windows. Dust danced in mouths and burns with cold. Oh shit. It's a pity the nails cry in the wine. Wake up. Wake up. Okay, ayan na nga. May 26, 10:01 a.m. Tol, kunin mo na kunin mo na yung kutsilyo mo, tol. Tol, mamamatay ka, tol. Kunin mo yung kutsilyo mo, tol. Mamamatay ka, tol. Tol, kunin mo yung kutsilyo mo, tol. Kunin mo yung kutsilyo mo, tol. Mamamatay ka nga ni. Yo. Ha? Parang may narinig ako. Or dito lang sa amin yun. Hindi ko alam. Putek. Don't look at that, man. Woo! Ihe! Ay! Sumobra! Wala! My wash hands. Hey. Sumobra ihi ko dun. My God. Okay. Well, I've been meaning to look for a part-time job. Okay. Look for a part-time job. Wait lang, ang init na dito sa aking kwarto. Di nyo ba napapansin yung pawis ko ba? Okay. I don't need to go there. Okay, saan tayo pupunta? Sa taas? Dito ba? Part-time job. Ano to? Part-time job. Ba to? Part-time. Bro. I think hindi yata dito. Okay, di yata dyan tayo maghanap ng part-time job. Okay, saan kaya? Dito ba tayo pupunta? Bro, hindi naman. Wait, what? I'm really confused right now. Really got job. Oh, okay. Bote yun naman pala eh. Okay. Ano to? Ito. Tayo natin dito. Enter your name. Okay, ito. Okay. Alam mo yun, tamang click ka na lang sa mga keyboard mo, ano? Okay, uy! Apply. Ito, email. Why you are the ideal, okay. Need to need some money. Need some money, I guess. Ayaw nga maklik. Okay. Bro. Ayun. There you go. Type na tayo ng type. Alam mo yung click ka na ng click ng ano? Apply. Okay. Okay. May kabakatok. Okay. Weird lang ng laro. Tama yung click ka lang ng click ng mga mga letters sa ano mo. Tapos siya na ikusa magta-type. Ang galing. Okay. May makatok. Tol mo mamatay ka na, tol. Going to die, shit. Gotcha. What are you doing? Hehehe. I told you to be more careful. See, you are not at all ready for scary and serious things. How could I have been prepared for some guy I last spoke to in the backyard at night to come back a couple of days later and jump out at me on my own porch? Grabe. Hey, don't be so mad. I meant well. Alright, maybe you are right. I saw the news in the paper. Thanks again for worrying about me that night. Hehe. You see, the things I've seen over the years. In any case, always happy to help. Hehe. Yeah, thanks a lot. Alright, kid. See you around. Yeah, maybe. Well, definitely see each other again. Okay, strange man. I don't understand man at all. These words make sense, but sometimes it's ang bilis ah. Okay. Aba. Sige po. Okay. Ito. Lock the door. Something's wrong with the lock. Ano daw? I think a screwdriver might help. Okay. Screwdriver daw. Saan natin makakita yung screwdriver, man? Screwdriver. Asan? Where should we find the screwdriver? Saan natin makikita yun? Should be somewhere in it says near the laptop. Near the laptop daw. Yun, screwdriver sa kwarto. Wow. Damn. Okay. G. Ano to? A. Okay, A. Wow. How? Paano to? La. Ano sundan natin to? Okay. Bro. Oy. Bro. Wow. Ayan na. Oh, eh. Ayan na. Malapit na, hoy. Ay. Uy. There you go. Finally. Take na yan. Damn. There you go. I need to take screwdriver back the way. Take na yan. Ano yun? Laro ba yun? Hirap nun ha. Okay, now what? What is happening? Loading again. Saving. Anong oras na? May 27. Okay. 1:57 a.m. Tonight, this sense of dread won't leave me. Not a single day in this house has felt calm. This neighbor acted so strangely yesterday. What this word mean? Well, definitely see each other again. I just want my friends to return and to drive back home. The town seems hushed ban after the murder in the news. People locked their doors earlier and even the wind trees to whisper softer. If someone knock again, I'll be ready, or at the very least, I'll try to believe that. Okay. What the hell? Ang kalma no. What the hell? Something clear broke on the first floor. Okay. Tol. Nawala yung kutsilyo mo. Should you check, man? Oh no. Oh no, you need to hide, man. Oh no. God. Oh my God. Shit. Gagi. Oh my God. Nakatago na ako. Oh. Ito na ako. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? Why? Fuck you. Oh my God. Anong gagawin ko? Ha? Okay, magtatago tayo. Okay, dapat ano tayo doon, dapat mas tago tayo doon. Okay. Now I get it. Urgently. Okay. Ayan. Di siguro nakasarado kan. Oh. What the fuck? Hi. Wow! Wait lang. Wait. Oh shit. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Gagawin ko ngayon dito. Okay, may police na. Hi. Wow. Anong nangyari? Nahuli na? Nahuli na yata sila, tol. Ah. Damn. Deserve. Magkasabot yung dalawa. Okay. From that very first night when I met that strange old man, he scared me to death. But who would have thought that my life would be in his hands? Oh. Damn. These days I had many thoughts about what might happen to me if this old man has bad plans for me. Damn, siguro nasa ano ka na, nasa sawa ka na ngayon. Yeah. Nasa sawa ka na ngayon. However, all this time, I didn't understand that sometimes the very evil that wants to hurt you is less tangible, tangible and much closer to you. Okay, damn. Grabe yung sitwasyon na to, ah. I watch you from the darkest corner of the world you see with your own eyes. Oh, okay. So siya yung lalaki. I should have seen more than I was capable of at that moment. Oh, grabe, magkasabot nga sila. From this day on, I learned this lesson. Yes. Huwag ka magtitiwala sa mga tao, man. Okay. Tapos ay patok. Ano nga pala sa amin, pesta nga pala sa amin ngayon. Yeah. So, happy Pesta Santa Rita. So, ayun. So, damn, this game was really amazing. Ang ganda nung game ang ganda nung pagkakagawa nung game. Grabe yung pawis ko doon. Oh. Woo! Hey, the game was, ang ganda nung game. Not gonna lie. Ganda. Grabe. Woo! Damn! Bayan, blanco na ako na, naubos ako na. So, yun lang ang video. Yun lang ang video para sa araw na to at sana naman nag-enjoy kayo. So, mag-comment po kayo dyan sa baba kung ano pa yung gusto nyong ipalaro sa akin. Ipalaro sa akin ng mga iba pang horror game, mapa-Roblox man yan or pang horror game. Lalaro natin yan, tatapusin ko yan. Sana kaya ko. Kaya ko yan, boy. So, yun lang. So, paalam!